In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a partner account on Booking.com. This is the account you'll use to list your property, manage availability, and handle bookings. So getting it set up correctly from the start is important. All you need is a reliable internet connection, an up-to-date web browser, and an email address you plan to use for your business. Begin on the Booking.com homepage. Look toward the top of the page for the option labeled List Your Property. It's usually in the main navigation or prominently highlighted. Click it. This takes you to the section designed for property owners and managers, where Booking.com briefly explains how the partner platform works. If you're managing more than one place, or even just starting with your first, this is the doorway into the tools you'll use every day. On the next screen, find and click the button that says Get Started Now. It's typically a bold call to action and stands out visually. Selecting this moves you directly into the account creation flow. Don't worry if the page includes additional information about how partnering works. The button is your path to the sign-up form. You'll land on the Create Your Partner Account page. Here you'll enter your email address and choose a password. Use an email you check often, ideally one dedicated to your property or business, so you never miss important updates or payout notifications. Take a moment to double-check spelling and avoid typos, since this address may be used for confirmations and account recovery. When creating your password, make it strong and memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. Aim for a longer passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal details like birthdays or common words. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a unique password so you won't forget it. Remember, your partner account safeguards your calendar, rates, and reservation data, so treat these credentials with care. Once your email and password are in place, you're set on the account side and ready to move forward with the property setup process that follows. Keep your login details secure, and consider organizing your inbox with a folder for Booking.com messages to stay on top of new reservations and updates. That's it. You've clicked List Your Property, selected Get Started Now, and entered your email and password on the Create Your Partner Account page. You're ready for the next steps in listing your property and welcoming your first guests.